this video I am here to give you 4 best reasons why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. So let's start with the first one, and that is, garlic repels mosquitoes and other bugs. So let's find out how. Garlic makes a powerful natural toxic insect repellent. The natural repellent nature of garlic makes it a perfect tool for keeping pests off plants. Garlic water is simple to make and easy to administer. It can be used on vegetables or on flowering plants. Keeping garlic under your pillow will avoid mosquitoes and spider bites. Mosquitoes attract carbon dioxide when we exhale, so eating garlic does not seem to be as effective if you want to repel insects. Number 2 in the list is, garlic cures insomnia. Do you suffer from panic attacks or have trouble sleeping? Putting garlic under your pillow will definitely make you have better sleep. This remedy is being used from ancient time. The antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of garlic keep the body fluids and organs healthy and infection-free. It also aids in the healthy functioning of the heart and brain, thus regulating the sleep cycle. Magnesium and potassium intake will be higher if you eat garlic. It relaxes your muscles by producing a chemical called GABA. GABA is the body's signal that it's time to calm down, and it chills out your brain cells so that they can begin the restorative work that happens overnight. The next reason in the list why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow is, garlic an antibacteria. Fresh, raw garlic has proven itself since ancient times as an effective killer of bacteria and viruses. It is an antibacterial agent that can actually inhibit growth of infectious agents and at the same time protect the body from the pathogens. Once again, we can thank allicin because it is able to block 2 groups of enzymes that allow infectious microbes to survive in a host body. Garlic can prevent infection inside or outside the body. So having garlic under your pillow at bedtime will make you sick less. Last but not the least why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow, and that is garlic makes you breathe better. Some compounds in garlic can be responsible for good breath and even great body odor. These include allicin. When the garlic is crushed, it turns into allicin, an antibiotic that fights against fungal and bacterial infection. Garlic can also help clear blocked nasal passages if you are suffering from a cold, easing nocturnal breathing and reduce snoring, which in turn aids restful sleep. You can also crush 3 to 4 garlic cloves into boiling water and inhale the steam. You will breathe easily than before. So these are some of the best reasons why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. If you liked the video, do not forget to like it. And do subscribe our channel to get more incredible tips and home remedies. Thanks for watching.